Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to disable the Allow Use of Public Content setting in Snapchat on your Android phone. This setting controls whether Snapchat can use your shared public content to improve their generative AI technology. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down through the settings until you find Generative AI Settings. Tap on Generative AI Settings to open the options. Locate the Allow Use of Public Content option and turn it off by toggling the switch. By turning this off, Snapchat will no longer use the public content you have shared to develop or improve their generative AI technology. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to stop Snapchat from using your public content for AI improvements. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.